I'm Steph from Renovation Baby, and today I'm going to give you a little quick review of the Patio Cleaner by Ryobi. We've got a few of their cordless range products and we absolutely love them. So this is for cleaning in between the gaps with this wire brush. And my parents' driveway is full of little bits of moss, and as they're getting older they don't really want to get down on their knees and have them to bend. So that's why this is fantastic, because you've got this handle in the middle, you've got an adjustable height, and it's cordless, so they've got no worries about any cables. So they can do their driveway and not have to worry about any of those issues. So this is a quick show of the moss in the cracks here, as you can see. It's probably been about a couple of years, we think, since it's last done. So the idea is the little wire brush can sweep out all these little bits of moss in between without having to bend down onto the floor. So you see this little wire brush, it goes super fast, kicking out all of the moss. You just have to kind of line it up correctly, and then once it's in the gap it starts kicking out the moss. So we're really pleased with this, really pleased. As you can see, it starts cleaning away the dirt on the edge of the bricks as well, but what I have seen that Ryobi have recently released like a patio scrubber, so I would be really keen to use this on the gaps to clean out the moss like this, and then I'd like to use this patio scrubber to actually clean the blocks, and I think it would make a really good job. So you've got the guard over the top of the wire brush to protect it and yourself, and then this was a quick showing of what it looks like afterwards. As you can see, like, moss is all gone, so we were really pleased with it. And all down this section, right there, you can slightly see where we've been because of the little lines on the edge of the things. That's why the little scrubber would be fantastic. But all cordless, all using their cordless 1 Plus battery range. I think you need to make sure that the battery is quite a beefy one that Ryobi do, because ours seemed to run out quite quickly, but it was quite a small battery. So here's the before, and you can see all the moss, and here's the same section but without all the moss. So yes, I'm really pleased with it. So thank you very much for watching. Click subscribe and like down below, and head for more information in the description box. Thank you.